Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2018 Suzuki SV650 ABS. This twin cylinders, a V-twin, liquid-cooled, fuel-injected ABS, beautiful naked sport bike. Only 1,800 miles on this gorgeous black metallic Suzuki with a red frame. Very striking appearance with the red wheels. Make your mid-size V-twin sport bike dreams come true for just $69.99. Come by, check it out, make us an offer. If we can do it, we will. We have financing, we have extended service contracts. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com. Where any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean-used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.